Okay, this is how we bind off. Knit the first 2 stitches. Okay, this is the first stitch and this is the second stitch. We're going to pass the first stitch over the second stitch. So keep a hold on your working yarn. Pick up that first stitch with your left hand needle and then just slide it over the second stitch. Can you see that? I slid this stitch over this stitch. Just let it go. Knit another stitch. Hold on to your working yarn. Keep holding on to your working yarn while you grab the first stitch, slide it off the end over your second stitch. Knit another stitch, pass your first stitch over, knit a stitch, pass your first stitch over, knit another stitch, pass your first stitch over. Knit your stitches really loosely so that they're easy to pass over. If they're too tight, you won't be able to pass them over the second stitch when it comes time. Knit a stitch, pass the first stitch over, and when you have one loop left on your needle, kind of loosen it up, make that loop bigger. You can take your needle out, but be careful not to pull this loop out. You can kind of hold on to it with your other hand. Then cut your yarn so you have about a 6-inch tail, and put the end of that tail through the last loop there and pull it tight. Now your work's finished, and when you pull on these strings, it won't unravel.